This thing still kicks ass. Got the drain hole mod done down here. Kind of like this rides down here though and drips off of that. I never did another video on this after the first one. That's a mean sounding compressor though, ain't it? Yeah, I'll have to get one of the colored EQK tags for that one anyway. This is off of a later one. That's the one vent, two drain hole model. That's one of my cousins that must have pulled that off. That used to be on there good. Okay, the base pan was rusted pretty good a couple years ago. You can still see it a little bit. As you can see, it's bone dry in there now. The house is probably like 60 degrees. This thing is a freaking beast. As you can see, can't even hear it.